Highlighting on a Kindle is pretty simple. You press on the word you want to start highlighting, and then you'll see this pop up. After that, you can select a few options such as highlight, note, and share. You can select your required option. Now, when you want to highlight a passage which continues from one page to the other, you can start in the same way. Select the first word, start pulling across the paragraph, and when you reach the end of the page, just hold near the corner of the page for a while. The highlight will then continue over to the next page, and you can click on highlight or any other option you need. Pretty simple, right? I hope this helped. Stay tuned for more content. Thanks and take care.